Paint color not matching the sample or swatch can totally mess up your whole project vibe, but knowing how to avoid that can save you tons of headaches and cash. So, first off, always test a small patch on your wall before going full on with the paint. You want to see how it looks in your actual space with your lighting, because sunlight and bulbs can make colors look way different than on a tiny sample. Next, remember that paint dries darker or lighter depending on the base color and finish, so give it a day or two before freaking out. Also, compare the paint color at different times, morning, afternoon, and evening, to catch any shifts. When picking your paint, bring home actual swatches instead of just trusting the chips in the store. If you're mixing colors or adding tints, write down the exact formula so you can get it right next time. For bigger areas, buying extra paint from the same batch helps keep the color consistent if you need touch-ups later. And don't forget, different brands can have slightly different shades even if the name is the same, so stick to one brand. One of the biggest paint color mistakes is skipping the test patch, which makes it super hard to know how it'll really look once it's dry and lit up in your space. Fix that by painting a few square feet on different walls. Another issue is ignoring how lighting changes the color. Natural light versus artificial light can totally flip the shade, so check the swatch under all your light sources before committing. Last, many folks get tripped up by buying small chips and expecting an exact match when those chips are tiny and printed on paper, not real paint. Grab actual swatches or small sample cans instead. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to connect with trusted local contractors without all the guesswork. Contractors also benefit because it helps them find real jobs and build their reputations in their communities.